Help your child to learn better by improving their memory retention power. Today in this video, we will talk about 3 ways of improving your child's memory retention power. So welcome to Mom My Love, and I am Shubhashri. Before we head on to the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get all the latest notification whenever I put such videos. So here are the 3 habits which can help your child to improve their memory retention. So the first one is ask them to visualize a story in front of them. So for example, whenever they are reading out a story or you are reading out a story to them, try and visualize, help your child to visualize their story in front of them. If not at that point of time, then sometime else when they are playing or sometime when you are spending time together, just recall what you have read, and then just while you are talking, just initiate in a way so that they can imagine the picture in front of them. For example, just tell them, do you remember how funny that scene was? Can you just think of, I cannot think of, they are standing in front of me and they are talking like that. It will be so funny if they do that. So when you say these kind of words, they would also try and imitate you. Your child will also try to do that, and they will start thinking in their brain like how it will be if those two characters from the story was just in front of me and was acting the same way as we have read it in the story. This is a practice which will not happen overnight. It will take some time, but you have to be consistent, and this will definitely be very helpful to improve your child's memory retention power. The second habit, which is very simple and most of us do that in our daily life, that is recalling the memories. Every day we form so many memories with our kids, but only a few we remember till the time we grow up, right? So you have to help your child to recall their memories which were important to them and to discuss about it. So it is all about associating your child with long-term memory. So when your child can associate with long-term memory, that helps them in creating that retention of memory. They have to retain the memory which is already there inside their brain. They have to retain it for long. So these are the practices, or you can say these are the brain exercises which could be done to help increase their memory retention power. Okay, so how can you do it? For example, you had a visit to a zoo, or you had a visit to a nearby park few days before. So you would just ask your child, or you can just imitate your child and talk to them about those memories which you have formed. So for example, I went to a park with my daughter a few days back. So I will tell her, do you remember how there was a forest or a jungle around it and we were walking from between? I love that scene. Which was your favorite part of that journey that day? So then she has to think about the whole journey and pick up her favorite part from there and tell me about it. So this is how you associate. You are associating your child with the situation which has already happened. You are also helping them to recall what has happened and to put in parts. What is the best thing you have done? What is the worst thing you have done? What is the experience you again want to do, or you again want to experience that thing? So these are the ways you can talk to your child about the things that has happened in past, and this is how you can associate with memory retention. With this, we come to our third and the last point, that is playing with your child. You can play any kind of card game or board game. So how it facilitates in memory retention? One, your child has to remember the rules of the game. Second, they have to remember what the other person is doing so that they can they can take their game further. So these are the two kind of, one is working memory that they will be working upon, and another thing is long-term memory which will be associated to retention of memory. So this is very helpful. You can play chess with your child, which is very good. You can also play cards, like you can play Uno, you can play memory games. So I will link few of the games, board games, or few of the card games like Uno and chess in the description box below, and you can, if you want to buy, you can buy from the links. Okay, so this is how, which has also helped my child. She takes interest in playing chess with us, so we always prefer, most of the weekends we prefer to play chess with her. And she has to work upon her memory again and again so that she can remember the rules of the game regularly. So this is how the 3 everyday habits can benefit your child to develop a long-term memory. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.